Unfortunately, falls from height remain one of the leading causes of serious injury and death, both in workplaces and public spaces. Balconies, roof terraces and elevated walkways can be particularly risky areas if they're not properly designed, maintained or monitored. Under UK building regulations, particularly Approved Document K and the British Standard BS 6180, there are clear requirements for how barriers should be built and how high they must be to reduce the risk of falls. But here's the important bit. Meeting the minimum legal standard isn't always enough. In practice, the safest approach is to exceed these minimum measurements, especially in areas where people may lean over, gather in groups or consume alcohol. Barrier heights vary depending on the location of the barrier. Indoors, on stairs, landings or ramps, the minimum barrier height should be 900 millimeters. On balconies, terraces, roof edges and external walkways, the minimum height increases to 1.1 meters. And for areas used by children, barriers should be non-climbable and have no gaps wider than 100 millimeters. If your balcony or terrace is used socially, for example in a bar or a hotel, it's a great idea to raise the height to 1.2 or even 1.3 meters and use designs that can't be climbed, such as solid glass or vertical uprights. Here are some straightforward ways to make balconies and elevated areas safer. Keep climbable objects like chairs, tables or bins at least 60 centimeters away from the barrier. When you can, use fixed seating or planters that can't be moved closer to the edge. Avoid horizontal rails or mesh that could be used as a ladder. Choose vertical or solid designs instead. Make sure the area is well lit with clear visibility and signage, especially if people use it at night. And finally, restrict access when an area isn't supervised, for example by locking balcony doors during bad weather conditions or outside opening hours. Even well-built barriers can be unsafe over time. Weather, corrosion or just everyday wear and tear can weaken fixings and materials. Make sure that you inspect balconies at least once a year or more often if they're exposed to the elements. Check for loose fittings, rust, cracks in glass or any movement in the barrier structure. And finally, keep clear maintenance records and take damaged areas out of use until repairs are complete. A balcony that's safe today might not be safe tomorrow if neglected. By going beyond the basic standards, maintaining good layouts and inspecting regularly, you're not just complying with the regulations, you're showing leadership in safety and protecting both people and your business.